Record snow, and I'm going to take you on a tour of campus with the crazy snow cleanup. Starting right here. Here's what our superintendent looks like in
after shoveling.
After shoveling for hours.
Yep.
Check this out.
I'll stand next to it so you can see the height.
There it is. This is all cleared out earlier today. The snowdrifts, this is our middle school here. Snowdrifts were almost covering the entire doorway there. Mr. Lip and Mr. Neander have been hard at work all day clearing this whole area. We're inside the high school now and looking out into the courtyard outside the art room, and you can see the snow in there. Exiting the high school, here's a mound of snow that's probably about 8 feet tall. There's an even bigger pile of snow. Totally cleared area over here. Here's the parking lot out by the bus garage and the soccer field and the portable classrooms. All cleared. More high school parking lot. Walking up here by the shop. And finally the high school student lot. Fully cleared with, you can see snowdrifts that are about as high as the dugout there. And that's what a record blizzard does to a school.